Have you ever wondered how to master the art of cooking? To transform ordinary ingredients into a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate? Well, it's not as daunting as it seems. With a dash of patience, a sprinkle of practice, and a hearty helping of passion, you too can join the ranks of culinary maestros. Firstly, understand that cooking is an art, but also a science. It's all about balance. Balancing flavors, textures, and ingredients is crucial. Each dish you create is a delicate tapestry, woven with numerous threads of taste and aroma. The key to this is understanding your ingredients. Know the flavor profiles of various spices, herbs, and condiments. Understand how different cooking methods can enhance or mute these flavors. Secondly, practice makes perfect. Cooking is a skill that improves with time. Every attempt you make, every recipe you try, brings you one step closer to becoming a master. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are simply opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, every great chef has had their fair share of kitchen disasters. Thirdly, creativity is your best friend in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ingredients, new combinations, and new techniques. The greatest dishes were born from a spirit of innovation and creativity. Fourthly, presentation matters. The first bite is with the eye, after all. Taking the time to present your dishes beautifully shows respect for the ingredients, the process, and the people you're cooking for. Lastly, cooking should be an act of love. When you pour your heart into your dishes, it shows. The best meals are those prepared with care and thoughtfulness. Now, to summarize, to master the art of cooking, you need to understand your ingredients and the science of flavor. Practice regularly, learn from your mistakes, and don't be afraid to get creative. Pay attention to presentation, and always cook with love. Mastering cooking isn't about becoming the next celebrity chef. It's about finding joy in the process, delight in the creation, and satisfaction in seeing others enjoy your culinary creations. So go forth and conquer your kitchen. The journey to becoming a master chef starts with a single dish. Happy cooking!